Assalamualaikum and hello, my name is Aiman. So today, we are going to explore disease found in the paddy field, which is sheat rot disease. Rice is one of the most important food in the world. However, rice production faces many threats, including disease that reduce both grain quality and yield. One such a disease is rice sheat rot, a destructive disease affecting paddy farm globally. So, what is sheat rot? Rice sheat rot is a fungal disease that mainly attacks the leaf sheath around the rice panicle during the heading stage of growth. It causes the discoloration and rotting of the sheath. This will lead to the poor grain development and reducing yield. What cause of the sheat rot disease? Sheat rot is principally a seed-borne disease. This disease is caused by the fungus Scaecloidium oryzae, but in other cases by the Scaecloidium attenuatum. So, these fungi will survive on the paddy crop residue after the paddy field has been harvested and cause the infection in the following season. So, what is the symptom of sheat rot disease? So, in the early stage, small greyish brown to the reddish brown spot may appear on the flat leaf sheath. This spot usually have a grey center with a dark margin. As the disease develops, the lesion enlarge and merge, this causing the sheath to become discolored and rotten. For the late stage, the panicle may fail to emerge properly and remain or trap inside the sheath and become rot. The floret will turn brown and the grain becomes sterile, shivered or unfilled. This will lead to the yield loss. In some cases, whitish powdery fungal growth can be seen on the affected sheath. Now, how to manage the sheat rot disease? This is a few steps on how sheat rot disease in rice can be managed effectively. First, sheat rot is principally seed-borne disease. So, by using the disease-free seed or healthy seed, we reduce the initial source of infection and limits disease established at the early of growth stage. Secondly, farmers can use seed treatment to help protect their young rice plant from the disease. Treating the seed with the beneficial bacteria such as Bacillus subtilis help suppress the fungus and also improve the plant natural defense system. Farmers also can maintain a proper plant spacing that help to control the sheat rot by planting 3 seedling per hill with 20 cm between rows will improve the air movement and reduce moisture around the plant. This will making harder for the fungus to grow. So finally, when the disease pressure is high or the disease severity is very high, chemical control can be used, which is fungicide. For example, the Tata Master fungicide that have active ingredient metalaxy 8% and mancozeb 64%, with the use of dosage 1 to 2 gram per liter of water. So, this formulation provides both internal systematic protection and external contact action, especially on the growing season. This will helping prevent and reduce disease spread when applied as foliar spray. Secondly, farmers can use Danastin fungicide that have active ingredient about 50% of carbendazim with recommended dosage 2 gram per liter of water. This is a broad-spectrum systemic fungicide that moves within the plant's vascular system to protect the new growth. So, it has been widely reported these 2 types of fungicide effective against Scaecloidium oryzae when applied at the recommended dosage. So, in the conclusion, sheat rot is a destructive disease of the rice that can reduce yield and grain quality. But early detection and proper management are essential to ensure sustainable rice production and food security.